can see my screen on the OTC.
Yes, very clear.
Very clear. Excellent. So now, for you guys to make that decision, right? So you need to come to logging into your OTC through your Tronlic wallet. Now, remember, you need to log in into your Daisy Tronlic wallet or your Limitless Tronlic wallet, okay? When you log in, connect your account to the OTC, okay? Connect your wallet to the OTC and select governance. You will see that they've added another tab that called governance. Okay, so select governance. When you select governance, you will see where it says ATLA unlock, choose your option. Okay, and then you click vote on chain and you will see all the information. So they will tell you that you have your voting power is only one. So you can only vote only one time. Now, you click to vote on chain. So when you click to vote on chain, you will see what is happening here. They will tell you that you have only one chance to vote. You can't vote twice. So please, guys, make sure you know what you are doing before you select this button. Okay? So now, see where it says ATLA unlock, choose your option. So I'm going to select migrate/stake because that is the one I am looking to do based on my personal decision and also as a leader to continue to give you guys updates for people that want to choose option 1, option 2, or option 3. I want to still be there to give you guys updates. Otherwise, I would have chosen exit via OTC. All right. So now I have selected migrate/stake and I'm going to click next. And it's going to ask me to enter my information here, my email, my name, select your country, your Boostyfi username, your manager's name. If you know your manager's name, of course, I know my manager's name. So anybody that is in my team, if you don't have a manager, talk to me when you get to this page, okay? This is the reason why I'm doing this Zoom to help you guys understand how to do this and get you guys the information you need to complete this process, right? So if you are in my team and you don't have a manager in Limitless, come to me. I will give you my manager's name for you to put it here. Although they said it's optional, but it's good for you to put it there. So all the ones that says optional, you can do without them, but it is really, really good for you to put something there, right? If you don't have any username in Boostyfi, that is okay. You can skip that one, or you can just go and register with my link on Boostyfi to get your username for Boostyfi so that you put it here. The idea is if they are doing anything in the future in Boostyfi and you want to participate in that project, this will help you as well. So even though they said it's optional, please don't ignore it, right? If you don't have a Boostyfi username, ask me how to register for Boostyfi. I will send you my link. You register. If I am your upline, if I'm not your upline, go to your upline in Limitless. Ask for your upline's Boostyfi link. Register. Get your username in Boostyfi. Remember, registration is free. Nobody is asking you to put any money right now. Just register and get your username and then bring it back here. Enter your Boostyfi username. Enter your manager's username. They have like a free text box for you to say something. They say, how do you plan to use your ATLA? Okay, how do you plan to use your ATLA coin? So they give you an example here. You say stake them, cash out, which is sell, swap to other ecosystem tokens, use within the ecosystem, which is blockchain, sports arena, etc. So for me, I'm just going to say here, I'm going to swap half and stake half. That's what I'm going to do. And then click boom, submit. That's it, done. So I'm just showing you what you need to do so that you do it correctly and you don't make any mistakes. Now remember, one choice to do this. Okay, you have 4 options, but you have only one choice. Only one choice. You can't make 2 choices here. Only one. So think about it carefully before you choose. Okay, and then complete and submit, and that's it.